Hello, and welcome to your daily singing lessons. I'm Marquita Waters, and I solve singing problems. I help singers be the best they can be. And now, it's your turn. Let's get started with a lesson for you today. Well, hello one more time. Today we're going to do chest voice. It's that nice, strong sound. It's in charge of lower notes. We're going to bring it up fairly high. It was very popular quite a while ago. So many singers belted. They were called belters. And there's still many people who belt it out, but the mix, which I'll explain, maybe our next one will do, huh? But the belting is truly the loudest sound that we have. And I'm going to take it up here. I'm going to, let me show it to you. Yeah, I know. Okay, nice and strong sound. Up there, let's take it here. Okay, it's going to be nice and high. I'm going to go down and come back up again. All right, here we go. Remember, keep the body up and out, don't pull in. Keep out as you're singing, especially when you're doing the high note. Don't pull in at all for the high note. Body's up. Here we go. Yeah, I know. 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 That's it. Yeah, I know. The lower notes can't be loud. Yeah, I know. 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 Here we go. Lower notes aren't as loud. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. You can cut the high one off at the end. I know. If you have a hard time doing it, take a big breath out. Out. Where? Yeah, I know. Keep the body up, out. Come on, one more, you can do it. Support. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Support out. Yeah, I know. Lower notes won't be as loud. Yeah, I know. 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 I know. We did it. We got through it. And I didn't make any mistakes. Remember now, this is chest voice. It is nice, it is strong. I will not go weary, Lord. There's nothing held back. You will go so far in it, and then that's it. So in order to get the really high notes, you've got to do something called a mix, and we're going to do that the next time. Chest voice is really strong. A lot of times people will think they're in chest voice, but they aren't. That's the ladies. They aren't in chest voice. You're singing really light here, but if you add it in, ooh, it's going to bring such nice fullness to your voice. Okay, we are done. Don't forget, you gotta subscribe and you gotta ring the bell. And I always do this. Such a day, such a mighty fine day. Yeah. Bye-bye.